Hey guys, welcome back to this channel and we are back with a video to fix your Spectrum TV app not showing on your Fire Stick. So here's a guide for your complete compatibility and to install. Fix 1. Force a system and location update. Open the settings menu by highlighting the gear icon on the far right of your Fire Stick home screen. Click My Fire TV and then select About subpane. Select Check for updates and download any pending operating system files to fix App Store compatibility bugs. Turn off active VPNs inside your application settings as the official Spectrum app terms require a non-proxied standard domestic network link. Verify your digital delivery location inside your main Amazon account settings profile to ensure your billing zip code matches a valid US market region. Fix to utilize the Silk browser workaround. Navigate to Find menu on your home screen and choose the Search tool option. Type Silk browser into the text field and install Amazon's free native internet browser application. Launch the browser and click into the URL address entry bar at the very top of the interface layout. Enter the official streaming address directly watch.spectrum.net. Sign in with your main Spectrum account credentials to bypass the missing app block and stream live television instantly. Fix 3. Sideload the official Android package file. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV and select About and click the main selection key fast 7 times to reveal hidden developer options. Enable apps from unknown sources inside the newly unlocked developer menu structure. Download the downloader application and directly from the primary Amazon App Store interface grid. Input a trusted mobile repository link inside Downloader to grab the verified Clean Spectrum TV APK file. Run the downloaded installer script to force place the standard operational tile onto your personal application's cloudless dashboard. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.